going on a trip. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna be packing, what is essential, what's not essential, and there's a lot of ins and outs to packing light. Wait, am I looking at the camera? There's a lot of odds and ends to packing light, but also making sure you got everything you need. But that is the whole point of having a minimalist house, is you can easily figure out what you need to take on a trip. And I think I got like my warm clothes, some sleepwear, my toiletries, some electronics, like the media stuff, because I'm gonna be doing some pictures and videos out there. And yeah, I wanna travel as light as possible, not bring a lot of stuff. Super excited to see how this goes. Let's get it. All right, so we're running out of light. It is 4 o'clock right now and it's gonna start getting dark by 5. So I'm just gonna organize everything in separate piles so you can see what I have, and I'll show you how it all fits, and then we'll go from there. I'm in the bathroom right now. My wife is recording her video for her suitcase, so I'm giving her a little bit of quiet time. But those packing cubes are intimidating me. Like, they're intimidating me heavily. We're going on this trip for 10 days and I am like tripping out how I'm gonna fit everything in a carry-on suitcase. We have another big suitcase, but that's for like when we go shopping out there and all the extra stuff we're gonna buy, we're gonna throw it in the big suitcase. But my main goal was to get everything to fit in a carry-on, and then I have like a small little mini duffel bag that I'm gonna put like my iPad and stuff in there. But I am tripping out. I've never packed like this before, like trying to be organized and stuff. I usually just throw some random clothes in there, but I have to like plan accordingly. So let's just go back out there and see how it goes. like a bigger size. And what we're gonna do is we're going to put this one inside of this one, so that way we don't have to like carry a bunch of stuff. This is what we're gonna use when we buy stuff in Korea, like snacks and food, and I'll probably get some cool kitchen stuff, but it'll all go in there, and then we'll have 2 carry-ons. But in the meantime, I got this Super Puff. It's really cold in Korea right now, so I'm gonna put that in there. I'm wearing the Uggs to the airport, and I threw the Ricks in the suitcase. And it is a huge mess right now, huge mess. But I'm gonna get everything organized in a second. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna put in my little mini duffel bag. That's gonna be like the tech and stuff, like media related stuff. So let's get this packed in that suitcase and then put that one in there. And we're almost done. It has been a crazy little packing sesh for the past hour and a half. Sorry if I'm a little bit all over the place. It's because Jenna usually talks more when she does her videos. So I figured you just like watching me do what I do. All right, let's get back to it. And let me tell you, those packing cubes are insane. Like, my wife doesn't like them that much, but man, like, oh my God, keeping things like organized and like nice and like tidy. The packing cubes are it. All right, this is everything that is going to fit in this bag. We got a tripod, wireless microphone, mobile charger, passport wallet, AirPods, a mask, some USB, odds and ends, POV, iPad Pro, some charger cords. We'll see if it all fits. I'm sure it will though. Figured I'd give you guys a fit check of what I'm going to the airport with. You know me, I'm always in black. Got the t-shirt, some Carhartt cargo pants, hoodie, and a Carhartt jacket with some Uggs to be extra cozy. You know the vibes. And always try to dress a little bit heavier when you're on the flight, so that way it doesn't weigh your luggage down. Like, that Carhartt jacket's kind of heavy and the hoodie is kind of heavy, so having that on definitely takes some weight off. And yeah, let's take a look at everything. This is everything right here for a 10-day trip in Korea. I guess let me open this for you so you can see what's going on. Like I said, the other suitcase was a little bit bigger, so we had to size down. But I have 4 packing cubes in here, and that's it, and a Carhartt beanie. But that's it. I have my socks and underwear right here, t-shirts, down below are the pants, and then right under here are the shoes. And then you got Labubu right there. He's like, help! He is squished. I'll put him right here so he feels a little bit better. Yup. But that's about it. That is some light packing for a 10-day excursion. Super psyched, super excited to get out there and have some fun with my wife. All right, and I think that's it. Sorry I didn't get into a little bit more detail with my pack. I was helping my wife pack up some stuff and it was just chaos all around the house. But I hope these tips and tricks helped you, and it was just fun to watch all together. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will catch you guys in Korea. Peace.